Hey, can I be honest for a second? I didn't know what I was missing in my home setup until I connected the Yamaha RX-A2A. This is for the person who's tired of mediocre sound and blurry visuals, the person who knows a great movie night or game session should feel like something, not just look and sound fine. Take a moment and check the current price and stock because receivers this capable don't sit still for long. My old setup used to feel polite. Dialogue was clear but flat, explosions sounded like someone tapping a desk, and every scene that should hit hard just skimmed the surface. You reach a point where you realize you're not enjoying the content, you're ignoring how much it's holding you back. That was my turning point. When I swapped in the Yamaha, everything changed instantly. The weight and presence of sound made me stop what I was doing. It wasn't louder or flashier, it was real. Music filled the room with shape. Movies had depth. Games suddenly had spatial awareness. Once you feel this level of performance, going back feels like erasing half the experience. In everyday use, this thing just works. Setups that used to be fiddly now snap into place. Streaming music through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth feels effortless. The clarity in dialogue pulls you into films instead of letting them drift by. Even casual TV shows suddenly have layers you never noticed before. And the power this thing manages. There's a moment when action scenes stop being noisy clutter and start being directional soundscapes. You hear where things are happening in the room, not just that they're happening. That emotional engagement doesn't come from big numbers, it comes from balance and precision that actually moves you. Don't wait for weird price jumps or limited stock. If this is on your mind, it probably means your current setup has stopped satisfying you and you deserve something that actually keeps pace with your content. You might be thinking a receiver is just a connector box and all of them are kind of the same. That's the trap most people fall into. This isn't about being fancy. It's about nuance, the subtle richness that makes music feel alive and movies feel present. That's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you waited so long. One bonus nobody really talks about until they live with it is how much calm it brings. No more scrambling for a separate hub or adjusting levels every time you switch between gaming and watching movies. You set it up once, and everything just flows without constant tweaking. Owning something like this gives you a quiet confidence. You don't have to defend your system to friends anymore because the experience speaks for itself. You start to feel like the kind of person who appreciates quality because you experience it every day. Sound feels layered and intentional. Music fills the room without harsh edges. Movies have real presence and detail. Gaming audio feels directional and alive. Your setup finally performs without compromises. It isn't the smallest or cheapest thing you'll see, and if you're counting every dollar it might make you pause, but once you live with it, those concerns fade because the upgrade doesn't just sound better, it feels right. There comes a point where comparing specs stops helping and you choose what actually resonates with you. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you keep putting off and regret every time your old gear stumbles again. Check the current price and see if it's still available. When you're ready to move past compromise and finally feel what you've been missing, this is the receiver that makes that choice feel solid.